If you want us to find you a tenant, but for you to retain management of the property, then our tenant find only service is for you. Our national advertising with Rightmove, Find a Property, Prime Location, and Zoopla ensures that your property gets the best market exposure, whilst our tenant references and complete credit checks make sure your property is in safe hands. A digital inventory video is also provided so that you can be confident that you have a clear record of how your property should be returned. Here is a short example of our digitally photographed inventories. The first 3 pages outline the general information of the tenancy, such as the check-in date, safety certificates, confirmation of the working order of the property's facilities, and meter readings. The property is then carefully photographed, both internally and externally. Each photograph includes the date and time it was taken for reference at the conclusion of the tenancy. At the end of the tenancy, another inventory is carried out. The photographs are then annotated to indicate any works required to be completed by the tenant. This gives us a clear record of the condition of the property when it was delivered to the tenant, a continual record to check against during periodic visits, and a record of the condition of the property when it's handed back to the landlord, so that any negotiation of the release of the deposit can be made in a professional manner. We can also supply your safety certificates. So how much does it cost? Our tenant find only service is £425 plus VAT. Better still, there are no catches or tie-ins. We find the tenant, you control the management.